Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
Today I'll be making some turkey neck, but we call it get a oxtail because it looks similar like the oxtail, but it's turkey neck. So I put some seasoning on it, scallion, onions, and green pepper. I blend them together and use it to season it, plus my dry seasoning like my garlic powder, my onion powder, and my all-purpose seasoning. I didn't have any meat seasoning, so I just used the all-purpose seasoning. Okay, and I let it marinate, and I cover it and put it in the fridge. So I'm taking it out this morning to cook it because I have to go work later. So I'm just doing it right now. All right. So first, you take the season off. Make sure all the seasoning is off when you're going to put it in the pot. I'm going to brown it first. So taking the seasons off because you don't want to put the seasoning in the pot because it's going to be burnt. See, look like oxtail. Same the shape of this oxtail, but only since that turkey necks. Because if you can't afford oxtail, why not the turkey neck and make it look like a oxtail? So that's why we call it get to oxtail. Maybe it's a new name for some people, but that's how it is. And guys, before I wash it with some vinegar before I season it. I forget to tell you that. Or if you don't have vinegar, use some lime and wash it. All right, and then as well you can grate some ginger and add to your season so it gives it that nice buzz. You know, ginger is very good in everything, so it's good to have a little ginger in your meat, especially when you're browning or currying it. It's good. It's healthy. Right. So I'm gonna put it in the hot oil. Then add in to it. Okay guys, what I meant by browning is that when you put the meat in the hot oil and you cover it for a little while, then you open it, which I'm going to do. You open it and you rotate it. And then you add some water. And then you cover it. And when it sounds as if it is frying, you give that sound like it's frying, you lift up the Dutch pot cover or whatever pot cover you're cooking it into. You just do that, rotate the meat again, and then add some more water to it. So gradually you do that, the meat is being browned. So it has that nice dark brown look. So it's not like adding browning in the thing to say, oh, I had browning to let it brown. No, you brown your meat. naturally, okay, by adding some water to what is in there, and then it just gradually cooked. Yeah. Okay, guys, if you, for instance, your meat is tough and it's hard to cook, right? Like the turkey neck, because it has that bone, and you don't have a pressure cooker, just get some ice and lift up the pot cover, pour the ice in it, close it down, and you'll be so surprised how soft the meat gets when you add the ice to your cooking, right? So then your meat won't get tough. That's a substitute for your pressure cooker. You can't afford a pressure cooker, try it. Add some ice, whether a block of ice, I don't mean a whole block, like a basin, if you, that's how you do your ice, or the trays. You can just drop a tray of ice in there or two, cover it back, and then automatically it cooks, gets soft. I tried it before many times when I was at work and don't have a pressure cooker, and it works perfectly. I did it for my goat meat, I did it for my ghetto steak, I did it for beef, all those type of meat that sometimes they take a little longer to cook. Cool. Guys, I'm just testing the turkey neck to see how long it has left to cook. So I'm just pressing on it, get off a little piece and see. So it's almost cooked. See, it's not so hard. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it back. Okay guys, I'm doing the finishing touch of my ghetto oxtail, which is slash turkey neck. So I'm adding my season and just rinse the bowl a little bit, and then let the season cook down because the meat is tender. So now I had my finishing touch of my seasoning. So I'm going to cover and let it simmer, and then I'm just going to add some beans to it. The bean is already cooked, so I'm just going to add it to this. All right. Okay guys, I'm using some beans, but I'm going to drain it off. I don't want the juice from it, so because I'm not going to put it in my meat. So I drain it off, and then I'm going to add it to my turkey neck slash ghetto oxtail. And add a little carrot with your bean in the turkey neck, so it gives that colorful look when you're finished. All right, so just add whatever you have just to spice it up with your bean. Okay guys, so when you have it, you just stir it around. Looks just like you're cooking oxtail. Only thing, this is turkey neck. Can't, because not everybody can afford oxtail because the price is so high, and turkey neck is a little cheaper. Okay guys, I use my Grace butter bean because I didn't have the broad bean, so I use the butter bean and I drain it off as you see. And I'm using my Grace fish and meat sauce just to put a little over. So not much, just a little over in my sauce. And then I'm just gonna cover and let it simmer. And you remember that banana that I show you how to peel? I'm gonna have my ghetto steak with my boiled banana, which is in the pot over here. Thank you all. Like, share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. Thank you.